Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with Daluyong rushing about the outside is Eagle 1, Gilaney's favorite. Now rushing about the outside. The next on Lenny Shining Mountain. Running by the legs is Felix the Arc. And going along for the first turn, we have Daluyong by about 2 lengths. Eagle 1 in second, Felix the Arc now racing in third, and in fourth is Muracel Choice rushing up in between horses. This is a Shining Mountain, and on the outside is Gilaina's favorite. Then next on line is Sampalok Baby. Moving upon the outside is King's Garden. That on the inside is Señorita Jello. My Lady Consa comes next. Then rushing up now is Prince. All the time comes next. And at the fourth turn, we have Daluyong enjoying a length and a half lead. Felix the Arch rushing up now on the outside to take the lead. It's now Felix the Arch now takes command with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths. Daluyong in second. As they swing for home, we have Felix the Arc now racing away by about 6 lengths. Daluyong in second. Prince now moving upon the outside. Kingsguard. Last 75 meters, we have Felix the Arc. And finally, Felix the Arc. Second is Prince. Señorita Ruth, Kingsguard, then comes Eagle 1 all the time.
Okay, Bayan Karirista, for your race number 3, ang ating pong unofficial winner dito, numero 8, yan po si Felix the Arch. At nirenda niya ni Busy Larenas, kung sama sa segundo, numero 5, Prince, numero G, Señorita Ruth. Ating muna pong balikan ng replay para dito sa inyong pangatlong karera.